backdrop of the controversy around Minta Devi, she herself coming forward and explaining her position. The politics over the SIR row, that doesn't seem to be that seems to be unabated. That doesn't seem to be dying down at all. In fact, it's Tejasvi Yadav, RJD top gun, who has now upped the ante. He basically says, and I quote, it's a big allegation. He says, people of Gujarat are voting in Bihar. He claims that a BJP man, a person he names and claims that is in charge of a BJP unit, has become a voter in Patna. Now, Tejasvi Yadav's claim, just to simplify for our viewers, Tejasvi Yadav seems to be claiming that people from Gujarat basically are fraudulently and erroneously casting vote in Bihar, and he says that that is a proof of the quote-unquote vote chori claim. Saket, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. We'll also listen in to what Tejasvi Yadav said in detail. But Saket, coming to you first, help us understand, first of all, break down the allegation, the conspiracy charge which Tejasvi Yadav is now leveling, and the Gujarat angle he is bringing in to the Bihar polls.
और देखिए, जो भीखू भाई हैं यहाँ पर गुजरात के रहने वाले हैं और यहाँ पर बिहार के प्रभाव
Okay, there seems to be some sort of audio trouble there, and we're going to get our colleague back. But just taking you viewers through the latest allegation which is coming in. Now, Tejasvi Yadav is claiming that people from Gujarat are casting their vote in Bihar. It's a massive allegation, obviously, far as Tejasvi Yadav is concerned. He, remember, also has been saying that it's a Muzaffarpur mayor, who has not won but two epic ID numbers, and that is an allegation also which he reiterated in that press conference. Tejasvi Yadav today morning held a massive press conference over the SIR issue. As we were telling you, the BJP upping the opposition upping the ante. It's the EC which has fact-checked the opposition when it comes to the vote chori claim, but there doesn't seem to be obviously any letdown far as the opposition is concerned.
SIR का मामला जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चल रहा है और कल तो जिन लोगों की SIR के बाद मृत्यु लिस्ट में नाम था उन लोगों को जिंदा जो है अदालत में पेश भी किया गया। देखिए, ये एक गंभीर मामला है। वोट की चोरी लोग कह रहे हैं। चुनाव आयोग जो है वोट की डकैती कर रहा है बीजेपी के इशारे पर। बीजेपी के अंधभक्त लोग जो है वो कहते हैं कि मोदी जी का करिश्मा है जो चुनाव जीतते जाते हैं, चाहे किसी भी राज्य में हो। लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि वोट की डकैती पुरजोर तरीके से हो रही है।
All right, and viewers, after this allegation by Tejasvi Yadav, what's happening is that the opposition, the INDIA bloc in the Congress, obviously is upping the ante. Remember, it was Abhishek Banerjee yesterday who spoke about quote-unquote dissolving Lok Sabha. That chorus seems to be growing in the opposition bloc after the vote chori raga. It was TMC earlier, and now it's the Congress which is seeking the dissolution of Lok Sabha. It's Imran Masood of the party. Listen in.
मैं पहला आदमी हूं, मैंने सबसे पहले कहा था कि चलो सब लोग रिजाइन करते हैं। हम तो जीते हुए हैं और चुनाव कितनी मुश्किल से जीता है ये भी सबको पता है। लेकिन देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए हम चलिए सब लोग रिजाइन करते हैं। अगर आप चाहे है ये निष्पक्ष है तो आइए करिए पहल। प्रधानमंत्री जी निर्णय लें, सबसे पहला काम उनका है, वो करें शुरू, हम पीछे पीछे चलेंगे उनके। मैं व्यक्तिगत बात कर रहा हूं, सबको कर दीजिए ना, सब कुछ नए तरीके से हो। चुनाव आयोग भी हटाइए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में सब कुछ नए तरीके से हो, करिए ना। इतने बड़े चोरी पकड़ी है, इतने बड़े सबूतों के साथ देश के सामने तथ्यों को रखा है, तो हल्का मामला तो नहीं बचा ना।
Niyamika, this is obviously a shocking statement coming in from the Congress party. Yesterday, I remember the Congress wasn't openly endorsing the statement, but now you have Congress leaders who are coming out openly backing what the TMC top gun Abhishek Banerjee had to say. They also seem to be suggesting that they want a dissolution of the Lok Sabha.
Yesterday also we have spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party, be it any member of parliament or the AICC in charge or the general secretaries. All are basically had come out in support of the statement which was being given by Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, saying that if these irregularities have been reported from various states, from various constituencies during the general elections of 2024, then it should be done. The Lok Sabha should be dissolved, and the cabinet ministers as well as the Prime Minister should also resign from their position, and it should be started from the scratch once again, as that is also being retaliated by Mr. Imran Masood as well. As he had also stated that, in my personal opinion, I would give the first resignation, as he has also mentioned that let's take a call upon this entire matter, because the manner in which all these irregularities have been reported, some discrepancies have been reported for the voting patterns during the Lok Sabha elections of 2024. At that particular point in time also, he had also mentioned that he was having all the data in his constituency, and he had claimed that I should won these elections with a margin of 2 lakh votes, but he had basically won these elections with 70,000 votes margin. So he is basically claiming that he has also got some kind of evidences in that particular constituency, and very soon he is going to give all these evidences in the public domain, and he is also making...
But yes, Rahul Gandhi claims that he has dropped the atom bomb. EC has any which way fact-checked him. INDIA bloc obviously doesn't seem to be any mood to relent. It's the dissolved Lok Sabha chorus which is picking pace. Just as Rahul Gandhi said, it's very clear. Niyamika picture abhi baki hai, and we'll keep an eye on all the developments coming in related to the vote chori raga of the opposition. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break, viewers.